up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Coming at you guys again with another video. Check out the new build. This is a 2014 STX 15F Kawasaki. It's all motor. It's not supercharged or anything like that. It's a 1500 cc, I believe, because I mean it's the 15F. So it's popped this seat off. So pretty much I bought this off a friend of mine, and it needs a little bit of work, and we're gonna be working on it. So pretty much the reason he sold it is because I guess the motor, I guess this impeller shaft in here, you can't see it, but right back here, it's leaking water into the motor. Not the motor, but into the engine bay. The plan is to fix that, and we're gonna probably buff this thing up, pull all these stickers off, make this thing look pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna get rid of this green. I don't really like this green. But it's gonna be a pretty cool build. Nothing too crazy, but I mean, this is a dirt bike I built a while back. I haven't really showed it on the channel. I built it before I started making YouTube videos, but I put this pipe on. I did all this powder coat. I had all that done. I did the wheels. And it came out pretty sick. I mean, I'm definitely pretty hyped the way this came out. So first things first, what we're gonna be doing is, so it's pretty much leaking water into the motor, like into this whole engine bay here. It's leaking water in it. So I'm not sure if I gotta pull this motor to replace this seal down here, but I'm gonna go to the boat ramp and I'm gonna figure out where it's leaking before I pull it apart, obviously, because I'm not gonna go off what my friend said. I'm gonna figure out exactly what's wrong with it. I'm actually about to go meet my friend Dylan, and we're gonna go down there and we're gonna figure it out. So that's the plan. And once I fix this, then I'm gonna start, actually I'll probably start doing the exterior modifications while I'm doing the motor too. I might as well. But I got some plans. I want to do something with this hood. I'm gonna get rid of this green, get rid of all these stickers. I'm gonna get rid of this green seat. I really don't like the green. I'm not a big fan. It should be pretty sick. I mean, this bike over here, when I got it, was pretty lame. I mean, it wasn't very nice. And I made it, I mean, I totally redid it and everything. I mean, everything on it looks brand new still. I pretty much restored it. So this thing, same thing with this. I'm gonna make it pretty sick. That's the idea. I'm pretty excited about it. But first things first, before I hook it up and go to the boat ramp to test drive it, I'm going to fix these lights, because I guess these lights got ripped. As you can see, look at, they're all shredded off. So I'm gonna re-splice these in so my trailer lights work, so I don't get pulled over. And that's gonna be the first thing I do. And then we're gonna hook it up, and then we're gonna go to the boat ramp. So that's the plan. Figure out what's up with this thing. First things first, let's get to this wiring, get this spliced up, and then we're gonna go to the boat ramp. It's all heat shrinked up, looking good. Hopefully they work. I mean, if they don't work, it's probably because of the truck, because I did it all. I mean, I spliced them all in and they look great. So it's all hooked up. I would like to put those back in, but I guess it doesn't matter. Looks good. I'm gonna clean up, and we're gonna hook this thing up to the truck. What do you think of the jet ski?
Cool.
You like it?
The green is a little weird.
Yeah, I agree. I'm gonna get rid of the green, but I'm gonna redo it.
Other than that, it's cool.
You think I can make it look cool? Alright guys, so we're going to go meet up my friend Dylan. He's kind of a jet ski mechanic. He's pretty good with these. So I'm going to go meet him up, and I am going to figure out where this thing's leaking at. Alright, we're pulling up to the boat ramp right now. My buddy Dylan's in front of me. We're about to put this thing in, and I mean, it still runs and drives. I mean, it's not going to sink or anything, but it's got a slow leak, so we're trying to figure out where that slow leak is. and we're gonna figure out exactly where it's at, so then when we fix it, we know what we're fixing. So pulling up now, about to figure out what's going on with this thing, and see you guys in a sec. We got this big guy out here working on the ski, trying to figure out what's going on. Oh. I wonder how fast it leaks though. You think I should just send it?
Give it like 10-15 minutes, let it get warm.
It ain't gonna sink. Yeah. Alright, so we're on the ski. I'm pretty much just running to see where this leak's at. I'm about to come right back, and then we're gonna see where it's leaking, so then we can figure out what we have to fix. So I'm just going on a little joyride right now. I'm not really trying, it's kind of far, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro, I was saying I don't think we should, like, I don't think I should send it. Like, because if it starts leaking and I'm all the way. Where at?
Right.
Right there.
Yeah, shooting right out of side right there.
So, do we have to pull the motor?
No, you might be able to pull the box
from here.
out.
I feel like it's crazy if we have to pull the motor to do that, but
Yeah, no, it's on a mid shaft, so pull the box out, slide the pump out.
what is that, a gasket or is it O-ring?
No, it looks like it's kind of just like a bearing seal.
A bearing. It's possible.
Because I mean, it also looks like somebody's fucked with it too, because it's just RTV.
Yeah, it looks like there's some RTV
Yeah, it's just
silicone in there. It leaks pretty bad.
Yeah, no.
I mean, it takes a lot for a ski to sink, but
Yeah, it's got a decent amount of water.
yep, this is the boat ramp you come when your shit's broken. Hey, he's here. He's here. Everyone comes here just to test their stuff out. No one comes here to actually like have fun.
Perks of being fresh water is you don't have to flush it after either.
Yeah, that's nice. Alright guys, so we just left the boat ramp. Pretty much figured out what parts we're gonna need. So first things first is we're gonna order the parts, and then once they come in, we're gonna install it so it doesn't have this leak anymore. And also the cosmetic issues. I mean, there's not really any issues, but I'm gonna be modifying it just to make it look better. I got some ideas for the exterior. I'm gonna get rid of all the stickers and get rid of all the green. Also, I'm gonna get some stuff hydro dipped, so that's gonna be super cool. So I still need to pull some pieces off and get these parts ordered, and I will take you guys along with me. So I'll see you guys in a few. Alright, so we ordered the part back at Dylan's house. About to get this thing leak proof. Pull this thing out, check out what we got. See, like I got the one that has the metal washers, because it looked like the other one had a cut from tightening it.
Yeah.
So we got the new part, and as you can see, that is the old one, and there's a rip right above this bolt. But here's the new one, and apparently this has already been replaced, so we don't know how good it's gonna hold once we replace it, but we might have to pull the motor, might not. We're about to find out. Alright, so while Dylan works on pulling this motor out, or lifting this motor out so we can get to that seal, I am pulling off all these stickers because this thing isn't going to be green no more. We're blacking it out, making it look sick, because this green has got to go. then got the motor, I mean, pretty much pulled. It's not pulled all the way. I think that's all we have to do. And we got to the seal. So, and I didn't even finish getting the stickers off. So that happened pretty quick, maybe 20 minutes from the last time I talked to you guys. So we're about to get the seal in and hopefully get this thing buttoned up. All right, so we ran into a little bit of a problem. We got to pull, what is this, the impeller? No, we got to pull the whole pump off. And because this shaft won't slide out without pulling the pump out. So you got to pull the pump out, pull the bolt out, and then this should slide out, and then we can replace the seal. A lot of work, but I'm getting it done. So there's like 10 of these under here, and 2 of them are stripped on the end. So I didn't film the first one, but I just drilled out one of them because obviously this head's stripped and we're gonna have to get another one. So I just drilled one out and I'm about to drill the next one out. So you guys are gonna see that. I mean, obviously everything doesn't go to plan, so we're figuring it out as we go. So let's get this thing drilled out. So you don't have to be an expert mechanic to see what's going on here. Here's the new one, and that's the old one where it was leaking. And see how the holes are all bored out? It's almost like it's almost like the bolts themselves did this to it. This one has these washers on it, so I think it's gonna not grip the rubber so much, so it can play around a little bit, because that's what it looks like happened. So we're about to throw this in, get it siliconed up, and we should be good. So the pump is all back on, all back together, and now the seal is in, and now we're putting the motor back into its spot. So it should be pretty simple, I hope. All right, we got the motor in, motor mounts in. We're just hooking everything up, and I mean, it should be pretty good. I got all the stickers pulled off. It's all de-stickered. I still got to get all this stuff off, but it's coming along, coming along. It's almost done. Been at it for a couple hours now, but wasn't as bad as we thought. All right, guys, it's the next day. We're at the hardware store right now. I got to get a couple more of these bolts because we drilled them out. You got to ignore my nose. I kind of, I blew up a tire with ether because I was blowing it on the bead, and I kind of blew it up in my face. So ignore my nose, but we're here getting this bolt, and then we're going to go meet Dylan up at the boat ramp to test out the ski, because he finished up buttoning up all the little stuff, plugging in all the connections, putting the fuel rails on. So pretty much, he brought the plate, the ride plate with him, and we're gonna put it on at the ramp. So we're gonna get a couple of these bolts, and then we're gonna meet him up there. So let's go inside and get this bolt. guys, so I got the bolts, and I also got some paint thinner to take that all that sticky stuff off the glue that's on the side of the ski from taking all those stickers off. So we're heading up to the boat ramp right now, and we're gonna install that ride plate with our new bolts, and then we're gonna test drive the ski and make sure the leak's fixed. And then after that, we're gonna go for a little test drive, and then I guess I'll catch you guys then. So I'll see you in a few at the boat ramp. All right, so I forgot the oil because we gotta top this thing off. So Dylan's gonna throw this plate on, and I'm gonna go grab some oil, and then we're gonna be back here. So a little bit of a hiccup, but we'll figure it out. And we're back with some oil. And did you get that all on?
Yeah.
All right, so we're all bolted up. About to throw some oil in this thing and see if this thing leaks anymore. So hopefully we don't have no problems, and we're about to find out. All right, Dylan, what'd you think?
It's fun.
It's fun? It's pretty light, isn't it?
Yeah, that turned sharp.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, it goes like 65, so it's coming along. I'm pretty excited. All right, Dylan, what do you think?
It's ready.
It's running good?
Okay.
It's not leaking no more, so that's, I mean, that was the main priority. Did that light go away?
It stopped beeping. But
Yeah, it stopped beeping, so
still shut every once in a while.
we should be good. So it's not leaking no more. It's all good to go. So pretty much in the next video, I'm gonna be getting rid of all the sticker stuff. I'm gonna be buffing the whole ski, and then this is going off to hydro dip. I got a little something surprise, a little surprise coming for that. That's gonna be pretty badass. So it's coming along. It's all mechanically fixed now, and the stickers are off. I just gotta get the glue off, obviously. And hell yeah! Shout out to Dylan, helping me out, getting it right. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys liked all the drone shots and all that stuff. So if you want to see this, how it looks when it's all done, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to like and comment. Peace.